I have a favor to ask. Okay, I'm trying something new, all right? It's a new lesson style designed to help beginners sign simple ASL conversations. And I thought, who better to ask for their feedback than you, right? An ASL beginner. Someone learning American Sign Language. Okay, so in the description of this post, there is a link. Tap on the link. Go to the lesson, it's free, you can access everything, and just scroll and follow the instructions. So, after you go and you've done the lesson, you've soaked it up, come back here and answer 2 questions, all right? The first question is, what do you think? Was it good? Was it bad? Was it ugly? Was it horrible? Let me know what you think. I love feedback. Question number 2 is, do you think Lingo, do you think I should create more ASL lessons like this, focusing on teaching simple ASL conversations? Now the whole idea basically, can you see yourself learning and retaining the signs, remembering how to sign the conversations with this new kind of style of teaching that I'm trying? Your feedback is fantastic. It basically helps you help you because your feedback lets me know very quickly if what I'm testing, does it make sense? Will it actually even help the people that I'm trying to help? Because the whole goal is what? Right, the whole goal is to get you to communicate in American Sign Language, all right? And if I keep tinkering with different things, I test different things, and this is just a fantastic way to figure out if it's something which we should keep doing. Should I keep creating more of these? Now your feedback, brutally honest feedback. If you love it, let me know. If you hate it, you think it's the absolute worst lesson you've ever seen? Let me know. I can improve much more quickly and help you that much more using your honest, brutal feedback. Don't worry about hurting my feelings. I'm past that. It's just getting good feedback to try to accomplish the goal. Help you learn how to communicate in American Sign Language. All right, I look forward to your comments. I really look forward to your comments. I love testing stuff, and I think this could be a fantastic way for beginners to learn and remember how to sign simple ASL conversations.